In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide how to set up your WiFiBlast range extender using the login method. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and power on. First, unbox your WiFiBlast range extender. Inside box, you will get WiFiBlast extender itself, Ethernet cable, and a quick user guide. Take your WiFiBlast range extender and plug it into a power outlet. Make sure it's located close enough to your existing router to get a good signal. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to power up completely, indicated by a solid or blinking green light on the device. Step 2. Login to extender settings. Grab your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the extender's default network name SSID. It's typically something like WiFiBlast _2. Go ahead and connect to that network. Once you're connected, open a web browser like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar at the top, type in the IP address 192.168.10.1 and then press enter. A login window should now appear. For most WiFiBlast models, the default username is admin and the default password is also admin. Type those in and click login or submit. Once you're inside the dashboard, from the wizard option, click repeater button. The device will now scan for all available networks in your area. Find your main home router's Wi-Fi network name in the list and select it. You will now be asked for the password. Enter the password you normally use to connect to your main home Wi-Fi network. This is how the extender connects to your router. You can also change extender SSID name if you want to use different SSID for extender network. After all settings, press apply button. The extender will reboot now, which takes about a minute. Once it's back online, you can unplug it and move it to a better location, ideally halfway between your router and the area where you want better coverage. Just make sure it stays within range of your router's signal. And that's it. Your WiFiBlast range extender is now successfully set up using the login method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.